Hello people, welcome to our channel Make It Unique. As in last class I have discussed about some theory part regarding overhead. I said in next class we are going to solve problems. Well, there are some theory left before solving the problem. So I'll explain that theory now. So let's get into the video. Well, coming to the video, as I said, the complete problematic solving is based on apportionment of overhead. So I would like to explain the meaning of apportionment so that it is easy to solve the problems. Apportionment is nothing but distributing overheads to all production and service departments. As you know, overheads are all indirect expenses, right? In business organization, we do incur some common costs for all departments, right? So that to know that oh, how much cost is incurred for each department, we are going to apportion the expenses to all production and service department. It is nothing but apportionment. We are just going to distribute the expenses which we have incurred in the business organization. Well, it involves two stages. First one is primary distribution and second one is secondary distribution. Well, here primary distribution involves distribution or apportionment of overheads to all production departments as well as service department. In other words, it is apportionment of all common cost. As I said, in business we'll incur some common cost, right, for each department. So that primary distribution is nothing but we are gonna distribute all the expenses, that is indirect expenses, to all the departments given. So that it includes, just in other words, it is just apportionment of all common costs. There are some common costs which are used in business. Those costs are distributed among production and service department. This is about primary distribution. While coming to the secondary distribution, after distributing the expenses to various production departments and service departments, the next step is to reapportion the service department cost to production departments. This is known as secondary distribution. Well, I said in primary distribution that all the expenses should be distributed among production and service departments. In secondary distribution, we are gonna redistribute the expenses which are apportioned to service departments. The service department costs are redistributed among production departments. This process is known as secondary distribution. I'll explain it once again. Primary distribution is nothing but we distribute all the indirect expenses to production departments as well as service departments. Secondary distribution is nothing but after distributing all the expenses to production and service departments, the expenses which are charged in service department also to be reapportioned in the production department, so that service department should be nil in secondary distribution. Hope you all got it. Okay, people, from then on I'm saying that distributing the expenses to production and service departments, right? You got a doubt that what does actually production and service departments means. Actually, these are the key points, that differences between production and service departments. First, let us see production departments. Production departments are those which are directly engaged in production process. They are only concerned with production process. They are not concerned with any of the activities which are going on in the organization. Okay, they are engaged in production process, and at the last of the production process, at the end of the production process, they are going to produce a physical product, okay, which we are planning to sell. And it involves manual and machine operation. Manual means human, okay, human resource. That those are nothing but employees, or we'll call it as an labor. It involves both labor and machine operations. We'll produce a product with the use of both the machines and as well as human resource, right? This is actually the production department concerned with. Okay, well, coming to the service departments, these are the departments which are not directly engaged in production process, and it does not produces any factory output, that is any physical product after the production process, and it does not involves any machine operations. It is completely reverse, actually completely opposite to the production department, right? I'll explain it with one example. Take an example of ABC Garments. Okay, it is one of the manufacturing entity. How does the production and service department works actually? So ABC Garments, so here we are going to produce garments, right? In this company, what the production department actually concerned with? Let's see. For garments we need raw material, that is, take for example cotton. We need raw material. This is raw material, right? And we'll convert it into the finished goods, that is garments. What is production department concerned with? It means it concerned with conversion of cotton, that is raw material, into garment, that is finished goods. It is only concerned, this is nothing but production process. It is only concerned with production process. At last it produces the physical product. We are producing the garment, right? It is the physical product, we are planning to sell that. And next it involves manual and machine operations. We'll have some workers, that is labor, who are working in the production process, and also we'll have some machines which are helpful to the production process. This is how it runs. And whatever service department that is not engaged in production, it is not engaged in this production process, it does not produce any factory output, it does not produce, at last they are not going to produce any garments or anything, and does not involve machine operation. There are no machines involved in the service departments. Okay, they are just support to the production department. Okay, for example of service department is security. This is one of the example for security service department. We are doing this whole process, right? We need some security to the production departments, right? We have stored some raw materials or finished goods or machines. For all these we need a security. For all this, its service department serves as a security. It is one of the service department, security department. Okay, this is how the service department gonna support to the production departments. Okay, then why we need in this problem means, for example, there are some common costs which we incur to both production and service department. For example, let's take electricity. Electricity is involved in both production and service department, right? We are gonna use electricity for each and every department, because maybe the purpose of using electricity is different. Here we use for machine purpose, here we use for light purpose, for anything. There is electricity involved in production department as well as service department. So we are gonna apportion this electricity. It is a common cost. Common cost means it is common in both production and service department. So we are gonna apportion this electricity to production and service department. Okay, this is what the problem concerned with. We are gonna apportionate electricity production and service departments, to know that how much department has incurred how much cost for electricity. Okay, and there are some specific costs which are only engaged with production and service department only. For example, we'll purchase raw materials, right? Raw materials are nowhere concerned with service department. It is only for production departments, right? Raw materials are only for production department, and this cost can't be apportioned to service department because we have not incurred any cost of raw materials in service department. It is only production department. So the raw material cost is to be allocated to production department, but the electricity cost is to be apportioned between production and service department. This is how the whole problem goes on. For all this, its service department serves as a security. It is one of the service department, security department. Okay, this is how the service department gonna support to the production departments. Okay, then why we need in this problem means, for example, there are some common costs which we incur to both production and service department. For example, let's take electricity. Electricity is involved in both production and service department, right? We are gonna use electricity for each and every department, because maybe the purpose of using electricity is different. Here we use for machine purpose, here we use for light purpose, for anything. There is electricity involved in production department as well as service department. So we are gonna apportion this electricity. It is a common cost. Common cost means it is common in both production and service department. So we are gonna apportion this electricity to production and service department. Okay, this is what the problem concerned with. We are gonna apportionate electricity production and service departments, to know that how much department has incurred how much cost for electricity. Okay, and there are some specific costs which are only engaged with production and service department only. For example, we'll purchase raw materials, right? Raw materials are nowhere concerned with service department. It is only for production departments, right? Raw materials are only for production department, and this cost can't be apportioned to service department because we have not incurred any cost of raw materials in service department. It is only production department. So the raw material cost is to be allocated to production department, but the electricity cost is to be apportioned between production and service department. This is how the whole problem goes on. Well, in secondary distribution we come across four methods, that is direct distribution method, step ladder method, simultaneous equation method, and repeated distribution method. Today I gonna solve problems regarding primary distribution and direct distribution method. I'll just explain direct distribution method, then we'll go into solving the problems. Well, direct distribution method means the cost of service department is apportioned only to the production departments without apportioning it to the service departments. Well, as I said, in secondary distribution the service department's total should be nil at last. So we are not gonna apportionate any of the expenses to the service department. All expenses are apportioned to the production department. Even the cost incurred on service department should be reapportioned only to the production departments. This is about direct distribution method, and it is first type in secondary distribution method. It is also known as apportionment only to the production departments. Well, I'd like to tell you people about one important note, that is, if direct wages, direct materials, or any direct expenses mentioned in the question, what to do then? Actually, we are doing, or we are concerned with overhead distribution summary, right? Overhead are nothing but indirect expenses. It means we are only concerned with indirect expenses. Then what if direct wages and direct materials are mentioned in the question? We should ignore them, because we are concerned with overhead distribution summary and not to take any direct expenses into consideration. But if direct expenses are mentioned in the service departments, like I underlined here, when the direct expenses are mentioned in the service department, they should consider, because there are no direct expenses involved in service department. So whether they mention direct wages, they are treated as indirect expenses itself, because there are no direct expenses involved in service departments, right? When the direct expenses are mentioned in production departments, they are to be ignored. When the direct expenses are mentioned in service departments, they are treated as indirect itself, and should be taken into consideration while problem solving. Thank you everyone. Thank you for the support. Stay healthy and safe.